alone, it will put fear kwabanye abantu because we are enlightened. Once you have become enlightened, abanye abantu, they cannot longer merge with you. Abasakwazi, because your standard, it is at the bar. You understand things that were not supposed to be understand now, but you know all that. So very few things will be hidden phambi kwakho because we are schooled. Engisho ukuthi ukufunda kwakho ufuna wazi ukuthi awuzile ukuzoplease abanye abantu, awuzile ukuzoncenga abanye abantu. Kwemukela ukuthi abakuthandi futhi kumele bengasakuthandi bayakusiza because you'll be able to identify people ozohamba na because you're flocking with the J-calls. You're fooling yourself, calling them abangani bakho, abazala bakho yini. No, that's not like that. Ngoba lezi zinto lezi, if we having a platform but we don't talk about these things, sibona abantu abaningi bedla poison ngoba bahamba nabantu ababancengile athi mase ngayi khona bazothi ngoba sengifunda ungayi. Uma benefunction ungayi vese abakufunela ukuthi ngoba if bekubulala wena ababulali wena. Awu understand wena we are nothing ngomfundile. A person onyanywa kakhulu umzali wakho ukufundisile. For the fact kini kune graduate, they hate everybody ekhaya. But if bengabulala wena kuzofika graduate senizofana nonke. Umuntu oshawayo la kushawa umzali wakho. Owathwalela isibeletho sentatheli namhlanje uyijournalist, ayikho intatheli esigodini sangakini sonke. Esigodini sangakini understand igodi sangakini zihlangene zo10 namakhosi awu3 ayikho i-chartered accountant wena we the chartered accountant. I understand ukuthi how important are you. I understand, and you're dragging your foot on the ground, you're gonna get beaten by the snakes. I understand ngifundisile ngenyoka. Inyoka in order to bite you, it has to come closer to you and thereafter bite you. Njengoba ngikutshela wena wena ungithatha kancane as an advocate today. Esigodini sakini ozalwa kusona emakhaya le godi zo15 zonke namakhosi awu6 ayikho advocate wena wedwa advocate manje ezinye izinto ungazithathi sangathi wena uthela waka Shoprite. No, ezinye izinto iposition okuyona ibambe ume ngeqiniso. Mina ngiyikhuze kwasemakhuzeni endolune ngezansi. Amakhuze maningi kamakhuze kodwa mina kule godi engizalwa kuzona engidiphe kuzona engifunde kuzona. I respect the space engikusona. I can never be everywhere because emakhuzeni as a whole imina phela okwazi ukuthi abe inyanga enabasebenzi abawu17. Imina